in this video, I will be doing today's math lesson with you. Today we will be working on subtracting from 9 and 10. To help us with subtraction today, I need you to get out your math kit that I sent home with you. And in it, you will take out your 10 frame and your little box of counters. That's all we're going to need today. So once you have those out and ready, you can probably hear your friends in the classroom are getting theirs out and ready as well. We will begin, and if you open up your math book to page 91, then you'll be on the correct page. So everyone in the classroom, once you have your 10 frame and your counters out, set them quietly on your desk, and I'll know that you are ready to begin when I see your hands folded nicely like this, and I see your listening eyes and ears up on the board. Just a couple more kids we're waiting on. They're getting their supplies ready to go. So, all right. I am going to make myself smaller now. All right. So in our books on the top of page 91, it says we're going to subtract from 9 and 10. Laura has 9 marbles. So right now in your 10 frame, I want all of you to put 9 counters, okay? She has 9 marbles. So go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters in her 10 frame. So Laura has 9 marbles. The next line says she gives away 4. So now we're going to take away 4. So take away 1, 2, 3, 4. She gave them away. So our question says, how many marbles does Laura have left? All right, so to find out how many Laura has left, we need to count up how many counters we have left in our 10 frame. So boys and girls at home and boys and girls here in the room, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Laura had 9, okay? She had 9. We took away 4 because she gave 4 of them away. And she has 5 left over. So 9 take away 4 equals 5. All right, the next question here says Joan has 10 green marbles. So put 10 marbles on your 10 frame. And you don't even need to count when you're putting your 10 on here because if it's full, I know it's 10. And last time we did this activity, I'm looking over here at my desk drawer, I found a counter on the floor. So if you're putting yours on there and you realize you're missing one, okay, I saved it because I knew it belonged to someone. All right, so fill up your 10 frame. We have 10 marbles. And then it says she gives away 4. So take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that she's given away 4, the question says, how many marbles does Joan have left? Let's count them up, boys and girls, and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Joan had 10 marbles. She gave away 4 of them, and now she has 6. So 10 take away 4 equals 6. Fantastico. When I scroll down here and you can see it on your paper, they tell you you can use your 10 frame to subtract. So we know that Laura has 5 and Joan has 6. So let's go down now to the part where it says practice, and we're going to kind of be working in our books and on our 10 frames, okay? And it says here, circle the part taken away. So the sentence is 10, take away 8. So put 10 counters on your 10 frame. Fill it up because when it's full, I know it's 10. And then it says take away 8. So right now you can pull away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then in your book, they want you to circle the 8 that you took away. Okay, so go ahead and trace the circle in your book around the 8 that we took away, and then draw the little arrow to show that they're going away. And Victoria, how many now are left in my 10 frame? 2. So you can trace the answer 2. 10 take away 8 equals 2. Now let's look at number 2 in the practice part. How many counters do they want us to start with on number 2, Landon? 9. So go ahead and put 9 counters in your 10 frame. I already have 2, so I'm going to keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So put 9 counters in your 10 frame. Okay. And now, Landon, it says 9, take away how many? 3. So go ahead and take away 3. Pull them away. 1, 2, 3. We took them away. So now, on the 10 frame in your book, circle the 3 that you took away from your 10 frame on your table. I'm going to get up for just a second, kids at home. I'm not disappearing. I'm walking over to the smartboard so I can show you. Take your pencil and circle the 3 counters that we just took away. Okay? All right. Now, counting my counters that are left in my 10 frame, count with me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left over. So 9 take away 3 equals 6. Okay? Does it help when you use that 10 frame and you see them being taken away? I think it helps. I think it helps a lot. Okay, so now we're going to scroll down. We're going to look at number 3. How many counters do I need to put in number 3? Connor? I'm going too fast. All right, let me slow down. Connor, look here. How many do they want us to start with? Right here, Connor, look. 9. So everybody right now put 9 counters in your 10 frame. And I'll wait till everyone's ready. Some of us, they said I was going too fast. Okay? Now, do you have your 9 in your 10 frame, Connor? Okay. Connor, how many are they asking us to take away?
1, is that equal?
1. So take 1 away right now, friends. Take 1 of yours and physically move it away. And then here on your book, circle the 1 that you took away. You can draw the little arrow to show that it's going away. And now we can count up. You can either count here on your 10 frame, or you can count here on this 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are left. So 9 take away 1 equals 8. Was that better, Connor, to go that pace? Okay, we'll come back to that one then. All right, let's look at number 4. How many counters should I put in for number 4? I'll give you a hint. It's full. If it's full, I know it's 10. So go ahead and fill up your 10 frame. Put your 10 counters in there. So now we've got 10. And how many counters, Mateo, do they want me to take away? 6. So right now, let's pull 6 counters away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've moved 6 counters away. And in my book and in your book, I want you to circle the 6 counters you just pulled away. So here's the 10 frame in the book. Circle the 6 counters you just took away. And then you can draw the little arrow that shows those are going away. Okay? Now, Ava June, I took away 6. How many do I have left in my 10 frame? 4. So boys and girls, 10 counters, take away 6 counters equals 4 counters. Fantástico. Muy bien. Now I'm going to clear my ink here because, come on, ink. We're going to go now to the top of the next page. It says practice, and I'm going to come back over to my desk now. We're going to work through these ones together, and then I'll have you do the next page on your own using your 10 frame, okay? So, sorry about that. Got some feedback. Let's look at number 5. What number are we starting with for number 5? What number are we starting with? Isaac? 10. So you don't even need to count. You know if it's full, it's 10. So fill up that 10 frame. Okay. Now, how many do they want us to take away, Jacob? 6. So right now, once you get it full, pull away 6. Beckett, when I pulled away 6, how many was I left with? 4. So right here, boys and girls, write a number 4. Serafina, grab the marker and write a number 4 up on the board for us. Aha, right where my arrow's pointing. Thank you so much. All right, looking at number 6. How many counters are we starting with, Dominic? For number 6, 10. So you don't even have to count. Fill up your 10 frame. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, up. And Emma Ashkanian. How many do they want us to pull away? Just 1. Beep. How many do we have left when we took 1 away? Ava June? 9. Ava June, would you go up and write a 9 on the board right where my arrow is pointing? And while Ava June is putting the 9 up on the board, you should put a 9 in your book. Look at number 7. Number 7 says, how many are we starting with? Connor? Good job, Ava June. We're starting with 9. So, hey, we already have 9 on our boards, don't we? So now that we are starting with 9, how many do they want us to pull away? Lily? 3. So take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many does that leave us with? 6. So Lillian's going to go write a number 6 on the board. And looking at number 8, we need to start with what number, Faith? 9. So plug in 9. Friends at home, I might have to start a second video. We're cutting it close to 15 minutes here. It's going to cut out. So I'll start a second video for you in just a minute. Lily, go ahead and fix your work.